our journey. It's about recognizing the individuals who are driving positive change in our community.
Let's talk about FYBN. We would like to invite Mr. Dilip on the stage. Mr. Dilip.
Some serious stuff here. Basically, it is our vision at Sarabjit and our team, a vision to make the transaction of buying and selling of gas station or any real estate simple. So we said, what is the best way to do that? Basically making the finance very easy, accessible, and kind of free. So we conceived this idea of creating FIBN. Actually, the word acronym is coming from Flip Your Business Now, and now people call it FIBN.
3 महीने पहले दिलीप भाई ने मुझे कॉल किया था। कॉल करने के बाद उन्होंने बताया कि FYBN करके मैं कॉइन लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ। उन्होंने कॉइन लॉन्च करने के बाद मुझे कहा कि सिर्फ $20 आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है। राइट नाउ आई इन्वेस्ट $20 एंड देन आफ्टर दे $20 हाउ मच एनीबडी गेसिंग? Now is $1,000 within a 1 week. I sold out that coin, and then after Dilip bhai called me, hey Vishal, why you sell that coin? Invest on that coin, and you make money after 2 years, million of dollar. I say, I trust you, Dilip bhai, and then after I invest $35,000. And then after right now, my folio is $550,000. And then after I have a right now on position on coin, $150 million coin on my account.
And this is not the end. It's like we are going to go more building this FYBN.
Tonight, I see more than a room full of people. I see the faces of those who believed in me. When this was just an idea, I see the gas station owners who work tirelessly every day. I see investors who took a chance on something new. To each of you, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You have made this journey beautiful, and I promise you, we are just getting started. So let's celebrate tonight, not just a year of Hampton's investments, but a year of courage, community, and unstoppable dreams. Here to you, to FIBN, and to the future, we will build together.
So I'm very loyal. And that is why I always share that I served in the military. And I plan to work with Wasim in being a part of protecting the community. It's very important to me that all ethnicities in Georgia are represented. And right now, all of the ethnicities in Georgia are not being represented properly. So I have stepped up to run for Lieutenant Governor to make sure that everyone in this room has a voice in the Georgia General Assembly. So at the Capitol in Atlanta, right now, many of us in this room, we do not have a voice. But once I am elected, I promise you that you will have a voice in Georgia.
Why would you benefit someone else? Why don't you benefit your own community? Let the community grow. Community is growing, you growing. So our goal is to make sure we come together strong as a community and, not only state of Georgia, we go all over the place. My concern is here, we need to become one unity together. Okay, so we're not gonna go point out he this, she this. No, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna protect our finance, protect our people, protect our community and our culture.
Commodity, gold is a commodity, Bitcoin is also a commodity like gold. Like Bitcoin, we have our own crypto called FIBN or FIBN.
Buy the FIBN, Don said. If you invest $1,000 for FIBN, you know that you can go anywhere, you can spend $1,000.
I would like to, tell people that please invest in this coin and the sky is the limit for us. Thank you.